Man, ain't that a terrible mess. Take care in Australia, Trailblazer, Magnolia said it's a service of fire. Service of fire, take care. And you say Trailblazer, Magnolia, we got going one way, I'm stepping.
Hey, Trailblazer, man. I'll see if I get this 750 station in your radio. Trailblazer, 750, down under, looking at you, come on. No group, no copy on Trailblazer, 750, looking at you. Trailblazer, 750, down under, break.
Radio check 750.
Working.
Let's try this radio out.
I hear someone calling out down under, man. It's a bit rough in my ears. You got 750 down under this way. 750 down under. 750 down under, looking at you, come on.
Hey, 750, I'm gonna try you with the driver, man. I ain't gonna get on nothing. Trailblazer with the baby driver.
Hey, Trailblazer, man, you can do it with that baby driver, no doubt about that. Been a little while, man. I heard you out there doing your thing, so I just wanted to put a call out and get a long time Roger there, Trailblazer. Been a little while, but Mother Nature may be letting us do what we do best. How's it going out there, Trailblazer? Long time no here. 750, getting back to your baby driver there. Come on back.
Hey, 750, well, I'm gonna get back to this baby driver too. But I guarantee you, man, that's a good jump, skip and a jump from here to there. And it's sounded like you're in my yard. I want to look on you. If I catch you in my yard running through and you ain't in my yard, I'll catch you by your neck. 750, trail off the key.
Yeah, right on, man. I'm sure we'll catch up again real soon there, Trailblazer. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. I just appreciate the quick Roger. And I'll get this thing back on the side where it belongs. Trailblazer, take care, man. I'm sure we'll do it again soon. Trailblazer, 750. We take this thing to the 10-6 side now. You take it easy, man. I'm out the way.
Bye-bye. Still running in Mississippi. 750, trail off the key.
Bye, 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 bye.
Hey, Trailblazer, can you look at fire in that truck? Upstairs and Kelly, with that, we won't say we can do it like this. Let's see this thing still works. Hey, 750, I'm still finding Trailblazer. I know you're back.
You still got it going on, man. You still got that thing going on. Oh, Trailblazer, man, I just wanted a quick Roger. There's a few locals around here trying to get your attention, man, so I'll just get back on the side anyway. I just wanted to jump in and jump out. Trailblazer, you got a few neighbours calling you, man, in this neck of the woods. Take care, Trailblazer. A whole lot of smoke and 9 dB, Roger. Hey, Trailblazer, I'm really on the side this time. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Trailblazer, Magnolia. We do like that from time to time when Mother Nature was hey, Black Dino was HDID 830 topside of carrier. Good day, William.
Hey, 830, man. It'd be 750. Same vicinity, but same town, but different station, man. Hey, 830, 750 is the numbers there. Come on, top side of Kelly, down under, looking at you.
Hey, 07, 750. Hope you have a blessed weekend and bless you. No doubt about it. 750, sounding good up here on the state side, top side of cold California. I'm Clarence Gall. Good day.
I like that little sign-off, man. That's pretty cool. Yeah, right on, man. 830. I've definitely heard you out there. I'm not sure if we spoke the mic before. We probably have, man, but I've definitely heard you do your thing. All right, there, 830. I just want to jump in and jump out. Get a Roger. You know the deal. Mother Nature hasn't allowed us to do this thing for a while around stateside, or if it has, it's been real choppy. 830. I'll leave it with you, man. I'm sure we'll do it again real soon. 830. The 750. Working this mini hammer station all the way to the southeast coast down under. I'm out the way now.
Alright, 750, have a blessed one. 750, trailblazers of mud, that about it. 750, grease lost, well, most definitely bumping on you again. That's for sure. 750, 830, top side of Cold Snowy County is clear and gone. Bye-bye-bye. Good day.
Good day, good day. And just before I go, man, I still hear Trailblazer. 830, man, that Trailblazer, he definitely doesn't want to leave my radio. That's for real, man. So you know the deal. I gotta tell it how it is. 830, 30 Trailblazer. Man, you're both putting up this good fight in my radio. I'm hearing you both. Bit like stereo, man. I got one in the left and one in the right. You know the deal. It's a Mother Nature deal, and it kind of switches back and forth. The same old, same old. Take care, Trailblazer. 830 750 back on this 10-6 side.
Pretty silly, big brother. Yeah, instead of stereo, you got us both mono on each ear. Oh, terrible mess. Hey, other side of the scene. Blazer out there on the city. Oh, yeah, lost Trailblazer in the mag, no doubt. Good radio friend of mine, no doubt about it. 830, top side of Cali, saying good day once again. 750, we'll bump it on your lid. Bye for now. 830, bye.
Right on 830. We'll just call it a friendly fight, man. That's all that's going on. Yeah, I guess sometimes it just depends who Mother Nature favours at the time. Ain't no great deal. At the end of the day, I guess it's just one big friendly fight. Take care, 830. I'm off this trigger, man. I'm off the trigger. I'm sure there's a few boys trying to get it back. I'm going to get myself a cool drink because it's real, I don't know how hot it is here, man. Probably 100 or so degrees, maybe even a little more. We got a hot one around this neck of the woods, that's for real. 830. I'm on the 10-6 drink side break there. Break.
Yeah, no doubt about it, man. Well, you gotta get you something cold to drink, that's for sure. Hey, keep cool out that zone and enjoy the rest of the day, no doubt about it, man. Find a good shade spot and, well, if you can. And, yeah, kick back, man, and just keep doing what you're doing. Sounding good, stateside. 750 till we do it again. God's grace, I'll be back. Bye. 830, top side of Cali Gal.
I appreciate your radio report, man. I appreciate your radio report. Alright, 830, this 100-degree station is back on the 10-6 side now. I'm out the way. We'll do it again real soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, Trailblazer, fireman truck. Hello, Trailblazer, around the Magnolia, fireman truck. Hey, Trailblazer, fireman truck down under. I said, come on. Well, I kicked out this radio. Hello, Trailblazer around the Magnolia. Well, I kicked out this Charlie Baker. Hello, Trailblazer around the Magnolia. Hey, Trailblazer, fireman truck. 750. We'll try one more time. Hello, Trailblazer around the Magnolia. Hello, top side of Cali. Fireman truck down under with a radio check. Come on.
Good day out there, truck. I hear it's warm down